After lockdown, it's from June 8th we got new relaxation and guidelines from the state and central governments. Been asked to reopen the doors for the guests and all with the limited people, by maintaining the social distances and other guidelines has been freshly issued to the government by to the hotels. So the new norm is like masks are compulsory who is visiting to the hotels, and for the staff, premises will be sanitized regularly, and we have been identified the touch points, like who is coming to the hotel, which are the touch points will to be sanitized every 15 minutes and as per the schedule. And we have been started at using the technology now more, like having these QR code based menus and web based check-ins, and web based online taking orders, and online aggregators based food ordering and all. So how it works is like whoever comes for a dine-in facility, they'll be welcomed more, like as a regular guest, and their temperature will be screened at a temperature checkpoint and be provided a sanitization while before they enter to the hotel, and their table will be sanitized with alcohol based sanitizers and based chemicals and all. Once they check into the table and all, we'll be giving a QR code so that they themselves can be ordered their own food, whatever they like. So we have been avoiding the touch points and the staff movement to the guest. So whoever would like to come, so they see the QR code on the menu and they place the food, so their food will be on the table within minutes. So that's a new web-based app and technology we've been used, and the web-based WhatsApp kind of a technology we are using. So dedicated WhatsApp hotline number is given to the hotel. So whoever wanted to order takeaway sitting at home, they can place the order on the number. So with the timing and all being provided there, and obviously the preparation time will be sent back to them. They can send their person and they personally come back and pick up the food. So we have been asking them to maintain the distances so that allow us some time to cook the food and all, so that their delivery is possible at the earliest kind of a thing. So dining facilities been cut down to 50% lesser table facilities and all. Earlier it was, if you see the restaurant what we are sitting here is for 100 seating capacity. Now it is made to 50 seating. So maintaining a social distance, we made 4-seater into 2-seaters, 2-seaters table into 1-seater, 6-seater tables into 3-seaters. So it will provide us to making guest to guest social distancing. At the same time, it's for safety for the guest who is coming in, and table to table will maintain the social distance. At the same time, at least like for every 10 feet, we are maintaining 2 or 3 staffs to maintain the social distance. So all the facilities are open from 8th onwards with the new fresh guidelines. Rooms as well, like from different state people will travel as a business trip or leisure travel. So we've been asked, we will ask the guests to use the online facility much. In fact, the rooms booking through online and sending their identity proofs through online, and making their web check-in through online. So this helps us to make them contactless check-in facility. Whoever comes to the premises will be taking a minute or 2 minutes to verify their photographs and all, without touching any equipment and in any touch point and waiting at the receptions or front desk. We'll be allowing them to a room with a dedicated allotted room numbers and all. A dedicated person at the desk will be guiding them, maintaining the social distance. So this helps both the parties, like a staff and the guest, to maintain the social distance and avoiding the waiting time and hassle-free check-in. So as generally hotels maintain the top-notch hygiene facilities every time. So from this pandemic situation occurred from last 70 days and all, we'll be allowed to learn more now to maintain the hygiene factors, and obviously again the touch points in the rooms as well, like telephone, remotes, TVs, and some drawers. So again we are removing the manual menus over there. We've been dedicatedly given the QR code based room menu. So all this helps us to helps the guests to not to come into the restaurants again, and we'll encourage them to have the food in the room based on the QR code. So all they have to scan the QR code and place the order. So with the room number, definitely the food will be given to the room directly. And coming to the sanitization part, for every checkout before the guest check-ins and all, every equipment and every corner will be sanitized with proper hotel guidelines, approved FSSAI guidelines for chemicals and sanitizers, and will be thoroughly cleaned and sanitized and kept untouched for 1-2 hours before the guest check-ins. And obviously, as I said, that the contactless check-in help us to not to touch any room, and guests will be happy after this showcasing sanitized and all will be in place. As I said that everywhere the social distancing is common for everyone now, so it implements the kitchen as well. So there is no lapse in that as well. We don't leave anything left without attending. So as I said that earlier, like every 10 feet we are leaving only 3 or 4 staff to maintain the social distance. As you know, the new norms are like 3 feet distance person to person. So every 10 feet we'll have 3 or 4 staff to help the kitchen and kitchen premises. It will be sanitized thoroughly with sodium hypochlorite and all as per the suggestions given by the state government and the guidelines. And some other sanitizers where food graded sanitizers are there, which is allowed to only used in the kitchens. And taking from the vegetable washing till cooking, we have a proper markings. We have been dedicated ranges for critical range and non-critical range and preparation range. Critical range is where people altogether 1 or 2 people more will stand and use vegetable cleaning and water washing and all will be done. And I mean non-critical range is just only one person who stands, cooks the food and all. So we have been marked these levels in every floor, so that people will understand easily, and that helps us to that help us our staff to learn quicker, so that we made some systems in the kitchen so that it easily they can follow, like using sanitizers before they come to the kitchen, and whenever they use the cafeterias and breaks and all. Compulsory we made gloves, hand gloves, who was handling the vegetables and all. And head caps, head gears, the full uniform, 100% shoes are compulsory, and properly sanitization before they leave and after they leave, and including the shoe sanitizations have been taken place, and the thermal screening for the staff once they check in to the hotel and before the leaving the hotel. We maintain 2 temperatures, so that helps us to to monitor the employee or the staff, the guest whoever comes to the premises. Like industry, the major industry which is affected is tourism and hotels, sir. From last 70 days, it's 2.5 months now. It's been, order to make the hotels closed, obviously for the good cause for the country. So we never did any business from last 2.5 months. We are hoping that the business will bounce back after the lockdown relaxations are lifted with these precautions what we are taking. So the trust what we give it to the customers and the guests who are coming in from last 7 decades and 70 years. So that helps us to bounce back very soon, hoping for a good business in future. So we made a proper guidelines, SOPs for the staff and the guests, sir, for few days at least, unless things normalize or somebody develops the vaccine and all. So we made a guest SOPs for the guests are like thorough thermal check, and obviously we are requesting every guest to wear mask before coming the premises, or if they don't wear a mask, we'll provide the mask while entering, and the thermal screenings are compulsory, and sanitization, pedal based sanitization, and automatic based sanitizers are facilitated for them. And obviously for the staff, mask is compulsory at the premises, gloves, face shields, full uniforms if necessary. For the room boys, who is handling the room guest and cleaning the room guests and all, will be provided a PPE kits, to maintain the safety. And obviously their luggage is sanitized once they come in. These are the major SOPs we've been given to them, and obviously we are developing our training skills and all to them. And it's a all new subject to us, so we have to go through all normal now.